guys, welcome to Rise Up with Abhishek, and today we are going to create a new game on Scratch. So, as I have mentioned earlier, that we have already learned that how we can get a space shootout game. So today I am coming with a new tutorial for Scratch. So if we start game, so it says a start button. We start playing. So this is our player cat, and we have a nice start screen. As you can see, we click on start button, and there's a sandwich like thing. We have to touch that, means we have to eat that. So there's a time before 1 minute. We have to perform the score, and whatever will be the score, whatever will be the best score in a minute, it will mention it in the your best. So this is what we are going to create. So I'm using the Scratch offline version, means Scratch desktop version. So let's start creating a new project. So we have a sprite 1. We can name it as player. Player, and we can edit its costumes. We can get rid of this costume too, and his face must be keep aside his face, and let us delete this whole part and keep it in the center. So this is our player sprite. So this is part 1, and in part 1 we are going to cover basic movements of a player. So let's start coding. So we will first when green flag clicked. If you don't know basics, you can just go to my previous video. I will give the link in the description also, and you can learn from there. So forever loop, we will add a forever loop. If conditions, as we have learned in previous video. Sensing, key pressed left, right arrow, turn 15 degrees, not 10 steps, turn 15 degrees, turn there 15 degrees. So this is the conditions. If I start playing, so I'm pressing left key, I'm pressing right key. So there's a it is moving a bit fast. We can set this to 10 for more good graphics. Now what we want to always move 10 steps forever. Forever move 5 steps. I start the game. Okay, our player sprite is somewhat gone. So now what we want, whenever the game starts, whenever our game starts, it must start from the middle. You can see our cat sprite is here. We have to put it in the center somewhat here, so you can denote the x coordinates from here, x and y. So 10, 10, it's fine. Whenever this is clicked, go x to 10, go x to 10. Now whenever I click, it start moving, and I'm able to move. Suppose he has gone out of the edge, and I start again, so it again start from the beginning. That's what we want. So this is the basic movement of the player. Let's create a food for him, means that sandwich like. So you can choose a sprite or draw your favorite one, but I will choose the sprite. Food, let us select. What should I choose? Let's choose this. Okay, we can delete this extra costume and name it as, okay, taco is fine. Name it sandwich or food. Size a bit small than cat. Where's my cat? Okay, a bit more small, I guess it will look more good. So now our sandwich is perfect. Now what I want when it touches this sandwich, then it should go spawn at the another random position. So that's good for code. For taco, whenever this green flag is clicked, forever loop, again we are using forever loop. If conditions, if is touching, if this is touching, our cat means our player, then it should spawn again at the random position. Or what we can use, we can select this block, go to random position, and whenever I start my code, it if I touch it, so it's again spawn at the random location that what we want. So guys, this is all for the part 1, and there will be approximately 3 part of this tutorial. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video, share with your friends. Till then, bye, we'll meet soon.